Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kamran, and in this video I just wanted to talk about some of the famous terms that are widely used in Internet of Things, and they are Industrial Internet of Things and Industry 4.0, and how you can use the for computing and Industrial Internet of Things in your industry. So without any further ado, let's get started. Every day we hear that the technology is bringing automation and bringing revolution into the industry and ultimately comforting the human life. Whenever we talk about industrial automation, it means that we are making the industrial processes autonomous and where the no human input is required, right? So your processes, they have like the machines have some sensors, they generate data, the data is processed, the decisions are taken based on that output of the processed data, and no human involvement is involved in the automated industries. All right, so and the industrial automation is only possible through the Internet of Things. So whenever you deploy the Internet of Things in industry, it is referred as Industrial Internet of Things. Whenever we talk about Industrial Internet of Things, another term comes into our mind, which is Industry 4.0. And Industry 4.0 refers to your food industry, your textile industry, your latest industry like transport, like your waste management system. So all this is Industry 4.0. Whenever you deploy Industrial Internet of Things in Industry 4.0, it means that there would be a lot of sensors, there would be a lot of actuators like output devices, robotics and machines. And the real potential of Internet of Things in industry can only be achieved through the middleware tier like the fog computing, so that we can process our data locally at the edge of the network and get the response fast, right? So this is the definition of Internet of Things and your Industry 4.0. So now let's see that how we can use fog computing in Industry 4.0 with IIoT or Industrial Internet of Things. So fog computing can be used for real-time big data analytics and data mining for the high-end performance. And fog computing can be used for the concurrent data collection from the different type of sensors, like from your machines and robots. Concurrency means that you have multiple type of sensors, and your fog node is getting real-time data from the different devices at one time. And then we can use the fog computing for the process of data in a faster way, in low latency time, right? So this is the use of fog computing in Internet of Things, Industrial Internet of Things, and in your Industry 4.0. So in next video, I plan to come up with some of the emerging research topics that we can actually use in Industrial Internet of Things by using the fog computing, and how you can use these topics in your master's or your PhD thesis research, right? So if you really like this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it, and if you have any queries, then please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.